Hey guys, it's my last star here. Got a package just as I got home, which I in the midst of opening up right now. Cool, awesome. Right, as you can see, can't get them all out. I've got 4 Elite Alpha Troopers. I'm going to figure out how to give those away, but I'll do the unboxing of this right now. Okay, here we go. Now, one of the most, well, the biggest things I'm looking for is this being one of the new 2013 boxes. Hopefully we've got some art on the sides that will give away a thing or two. Here we can see the Elite Alpha Trooper. Nothing really amazing. It's standard 20 elite meter range there. First side, a little disappointing. Second side, nothing else. The other side, this is not looking good, people. And the final side, no. Damn! Oh, that sucks. That's probably the most. Oh, I am sad panda. Not happy. Oh well. Okay, so what have we got here? We have the one tactical rail that comes with the blaster. We have the slam fire pump handle here. We got the CS12 clip that goes there. Had some people ask me if it requires batteries, but no, this does not. So, okay, let's go. Here we go. The box itself is very slim, quite sort of streamlined actually. So it's interesting. They've got here already. There we go. Hallelujah. Box, is there anything else interesting in here? No. Okay, we will chuck this aside. Alright, so blaster here. We have the Elite Alpha Trooper. Oh, looks good. The 12 darts that come with it. Interesting, it has the orange butt there. And it's got the CS12. It comes with, a manual. Hopefully it's got something nice in here. No. This could be good, people. I'm excited for this. How can someone get excited for a manual? No! There's nothing. Okay, it just takes us through the guide itself. Nothing that we don't really know. Yeah. Damn. I really wanted something. Some art or something of some new blasters, but not to worry. Hopefully we'll get some other stuff coming to us. Okay, let's pop this open. It comes with the CS12 clip. They've bound it with what I'll also do is I will open it on up as well. Darts. There you go. 12. Let's throw that to the side. Okay, so what have we got? Elite Alpha Trooper, CS12 clip, and 12 Elite darts ready to roll. Okay, so first things first, let's get this back here. Right, if you can see me. Okay, this is the Elite Alpha Trooper. It's really light. It's got both mag release buttons on the side. It's got the jam door. Sadly, it's not clear, but no worries. There we go. Can you see through there? Hopefully you can. It comes with actually one sling hook there, one on the stock, none on the top. That's fine. Try fire this. It sounds very much like a Retaliator. Actually, I'll open this up in a second, but from the pictures we saw from Baidu, I think it was, that plunger system in there was very similar to the Retaliator. So for you mods, I'm guessing, well, certainly Chris Cartea, he threw up a video, I believe, of him achieving about 115 feet flat with his modded Retaliator. So we could possibly expect the same thing from this bad boy. All right, let's load up the magazine here. And I'll just fire off the whole clip. Actually thinking now, I should have just taken the time to load a pre-loaded magazine, but not to worry. I'm thinking what I'm going to do for the competition actually is, like I said, divide it up into the territories. Obviously I'm going to keep one for myself. But yeah, what I will do is one for Asia, one for the Americas. I'll throw Australia in with the Asian territory, and one for Europe. That's how we'll do it. Okay, now to load the magazine, you've got to prime the blaster as with most plunger tube blasters. There is something I want to show you on here. Okay, there it tells you how to operate the jam door, but also, here we go, it's got instructions here of how to use the blaster itself, but I mean it's pretty much straightforward, right? Okay, so I've got to say it's really light. It's I don't know, it feels a bit weird. The release, look, I'm pulling the clip. The magazine's not full now, so no doubt we'll have a mod coming up for that soon. Jam door again. Okay, so let's fire this bad boy. Oh my god, these darts keep flying out. That is awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is just so awesome. Well, I can totally see. You know what? All the HVZ guys just love the blaster, and a lot of other Nerfers as well. Just really like this blaster, and I can see completely why they love it. This is an awesome blaster. Aesthetically, it looks really awesome. I would definitely look at modding this, I think, or getting someone to do that. Turn it, I mean, I'll open it up, but just from this side on, from there, it's pretty much a Retaliator, isn't it? With a sexed up. Although this did come before the Retaliator, so you know, the grip here, I'm a little surprised. You know, Maybe I'm being a bit too picky, but it just feels really flimsy. I'm not sure what's going on there. Okay guys, so what I'll do is I'll grab a screwdriver, crack it open, and I'll be right back. Hang on.